Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around of the 2016 Nissan Rogue. I'm a Nissan guy myself. Stock number on this vehicle is T20027A, and this is a virtual video walk around that's going to allow you to see this Rogue up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the passenger side exterior. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, making our way around to the rear. Nissan quality vehicle, safe and economically with high standards. If you're traveling with friends or family and you need to put them in the back, you're going to find that there's ample legroom here in the back. Also very comfortable leather interior. Now going to the front, putting you in the driver's seat, you're going to notice this vehicle is absolutely flawless. Sunset Ford is home of warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. They just want to give you more at Sunset Ford. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. This is Scott saying, make it a great day. Take care.